If you mix toothpaste with Coca-Cola, you will leave any surface shining like new. Let's start today's tip by adding 2 cups of Coca-Cola into a large container like the one I'm using. I'm sure you've never seen a Coca-Cola product like this. It's important to use a large container to fit all the ingredients. Let's continue adding 1 cup of detergent as well. I'm sure you'll be surprised by the end result. Do it at home and let me know if you had the same results. The next ingredient is a tablespoon of baking soda. Let's add a tablespoon of toothpaste. You can use the cheapest one you have in the supermarket. And lastly, let's add a cup of water. Many people don't know that toothpaste is super powerful for general cleaning, and it's much more powerful together with baking soda too. Don't forget to tell me which city or country you're watching from so I can send you a special hug in the next video. This way our mixture will yield much more, and we will be able to apply it in many places. After that, we're going to put the entire mixture we just made into a spray bottle like the one I'm using. We will use a funnel to make sure that all the mixture goes into the spray bottle. Then just cover it, and it will be ready to be used. I'll show you some examples of places where you can use this mixture. It is very easy to use. Just apply the mixture and clean with a sponge or damp cloth. I'm sure that once you make this mixture, you'll want to make it every day. After a friend taught me how to make this mixture, I never made the effort to clean the appliances in my house again. If you prefer, add other ingredients you use to make this mixture even more potent. Whenever I have visitors at home, they are impressed by my house shining like that. A hug for Christina, from Mexico, and another hug for Joanna, from Italy. Thank you for watching and sharing our videos. Tell me if you already knew a mixture with toothpaste and Coca-Cola like this. See how all the dirt I had in the places I'm applying it disappears. Thank you for watching this far. See you next time.